We have seen how to prepare organic compounds, for example, like this. How to prepare these compounds, huh? How to prepare these compounds, sir? What is your choice? Hello? 2,2-dichloropropane I want to prepare. What is my choice? How to start? Suppose I am starting from acetylene. How can I get this? Sir, what is this compound? Ethane or acetylene. Do you know how to prepare this compound? Hello? Hello? Are you there? Ladies and gentlemen, are you there? At least, do you know what is this compound?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is this compound?
Sir, ethene.
What is this compound? Ethane is also called. Do you know how to remember this compound, by the way? How to prepare this compound? What is this reaction, sir? 2 moles of methyl chloride reacts with 2 sodium in dry ether to give
Woods
ethane.
reaction.
What is this reaction? Woods reaction. Very good. Now, what reagent can convert ethyl bromide into ethene?
Sir, alcoholic AOH.
Perfect. And what is the name of reaction given to this?
Elimination reaction.
It is called elimination reaction or dehydrohalogenation. Now, how to get this compound? This is called chloroform. What is the use of chloroform, sir? What is the use of chloroform? Come on.
Antiseptic used for surgeries.
It is used as an anesthetic. Anesthetic is a chemical given before operation. This can induce good sleep so that even if the body is cut open, you can't notice. Chloroform is also used as a cleaning agent. Chloroform, when reacts with the dash, gives acetylene. What is the dash, sir?
Alcohol.
Na. In order to balance the equation, how much silver is needed?
3.
You have here 6 chlorine, so you should get 6 AgCl. It means if you take 2 moles of chloroform and 6 moles of silver and heat them, you get 1 mole of What is this compound, sir?
Sir,
Acetylene. Acetylene or ethyl. It means you have to spend roughly 50,000 rupees to get 1 rupee worth acetylene. If you are very crazy, you can use this method. Silver is very costly, man.
Yes, sir.
So anyway, but you get very pure acetylene. Acetylene is also called ethyne. What is the use of acetylene, sir? What is the use? Acetylene gas is used for welding purpose. On the roadsides, some people will be blowing flame onto two metal sheets and fixing them together. That is called welding. The gas which is used for combustion, there is ethane gas or acetylene gas. Actually, it is combined with oxygen gas called oxyacetylene flame used for welding. Have you ever watched people joining metals?
Yes,
Have you
sir.
or have you not? That is
Watched.
the gas. That is the gas, acetylene gas. And for this gas, they prepare from a white solid called calcium carbide. By putting it in water, you get this, along with calcium hydroxide. This calcium carbide, roughly 1 kg, 35 rupees or so. It is cheap one. You get a lot of acetylene gas. So welding people are using this. This is acetylene, and pure acetylene, if you take, has no smell. But if you go to welding shop, you can get some irritating smell because it has impurities like PH3 and H2S. Anyway, this is acetylene. Otherwise called ethyl. It is called ethene. It is called ethane. All these three are called hydrocarbons. But this is a saturated hydrocarbon. All carbons are sp3. This is a unsaturated hydrocarbon. These two carbons are sp2 hybridized. This is unsaturated. Two carbons are what hybridized, sir? These are sp hybridized. What are the characteristic reactions of alkanes, sir? Hello? What are the characteristics? Huh? Free radical substitution reactions. What are the reactions of alkenes? Nucleophilic addition reactions. What are the reactions of alkynes? What are the reactions? Nobody is talking. They can undergo nucleophilic addition reaction. They can also undergo electrophilic addition reaction. Both they can give. Additionally, they can give polymerization reactions like alkenes. Notice that among these three compounds, which is most acidic?
Ethyne, sir.
Auntie, boy, or chutney. C is most acidic. Because whenever carbon is sp hybridized, if it has bonded to hydrogen, that can come out as H+. Notice, can this compound be acidic? Can B also be acidic? Which is most acidic? Auntie or boy? A is most acidic, B is not acidic because the C triple bond C has no hydrogens. Always terminal alkanes are acidic, non-terminal alkanes are not. acidic. Are you clear about that?
Yes, sir.
Now I started with this compound and I want to get this compound. How can I get it? One idea is, because this is acidic, if you react with a base like sodiamine, you should be careful enough. You should take only 1 mole and 1 mole. Sodium acetylide. When this sodium acetylide is added with methyl chloride, always the sodium and chlorine, like hero and heroine, they always want to go to park privately, where they get precipitated or separated. You will be getting HC, it will want CCH3 plus NaC. Are we very clear, sir? This way you can convert ethine into propyne. Suppose I want you to convert into 2-butyne, what you will do? This is what I want. What you will do? Hello? I will write again. This compound is ethine. Here I react with only 1 mole of sodiamide. I will be getting HC2CN. Here I react it with methyl chloride. What is this? 1-butyne, 1 propyne. I want to have this compound. How to get this, sir? Simple. You react with the 2 moles of NaNH2 instead of 1 mole. So that both hydrogens will be replaced by sodium. Disodium acetylide. If you react with methyl chloride, here NaCl, here NaCl goes out, here CH3, here CH3 comes. What is this compound, sir? Hello? Hello? Hey, if there is no reaction, I will terminate the meeting, man. All this is your first year chemistry. I am revising unnecessarily. Hello?
Yes, sir. What, sir?
Are you looking at how to prepare 2-butyne? Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
So if I want to have this compound, CH3, CH2, C triple bond C, CH2, CH3, what should I do? Now I want to prepare 3-hexyl. What should I do? Ayo, you have not seen the pattern.
React with CH2, CH3, CH2Cl.
Ethyl.
That's what I am looking at. Here I will react with the sodiamide.
Two moles of ethyl chloride.
So any alkane can be prepared starting with ethyl. Are we clean?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Now, sir, I am starting with this. I have converted this into propyne. How can I do that, sir? First, I react with 1 mole NaNH2.
1 mole of NaNH2.
And then I will put the methyl chloride. Once you got propyne, you react with HCl. Where H will go? Will it go to anti or boy?
Anti.
Hello? Always hydrogen in addition reaction combines with that carbon which has more hydrogens, which will become richer, is called Markovnikov rule. What is Markovnikov rule? The hydrogen of HX combines with the carbon which already has more hydrogens. Again, it will react with HCl. Again, hydrogen combines with the carbon, which has more hydrogens, linking the double bond after 2 bond. Can you write down this, sir? Hello? If I take a compound like propyl, if I add HCl, H will go to RT, Cl will come to bi. So I will be getting CH3CH2Cl, it is vinyl halide. When again it reacts with HCl, again H will go to anti and Cl will go to bi. I will be getting 2,2-dichloropropane. This is what I want. What is this, sir? 2,2-dichloropropane.
Dichloropropane.
Are we very clear? Sir,
Yes,
all of
sir.
you try to take this task. How can you bring about this change? I want you to convert ethane to 2,2-dichloroputane. All of you take 2 minutes time and try to work out. This is IIT advanced class, so I have to give you tasks like this. Otherwise, simply I can open the book and make you read it, that's all. But we are preparing for advanced, means we have to think. How to convert ethane to 2,2-dichloroputane? All of you try. I can't give you more than 2 minutes. I am looking at the time. This 24. Try that. Sir, should I do? If you want me, I will do it myself. If you want me, I will do it myself. Hint number 1, convert into ethyl chloride. Hint number 2, convert into ethene. Hint number 3, convert into weak dihalide. Hint number 4, convert into alkyne. Hint number 5, convert the alkyne into butyne. Then go on reacting with HCl. Sir, if you don't call me, I will not respond. I am waiting for you. If you want me to do, I will do it myself. Hello, sir.
Done, sir.
You have to call me. I am available, eagerly waiting. Yes, sir. Nobody is talking. I can't give infinite time, sir. Okay, this is the conversion. I am doing myself. Buddy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah. My target is to convert ethane to 2,2-dichlorobutane. Remember that. You take ethane, react with chlorine 1 mole in presence of light. You got monochloroethane or chloroethane. When chloroethane is treated with alcoholic KOH, I will be getting ethene. When ethene reacts with bromine, the red color disappears, you get 1,2-dibromoethane. When 1,2-dibromoethane reacts with alcoholic KOH on NaNH2, this Br and this hydrogen, this Br and this hydrogen. You got acetylene. Are we very clear up to this?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Once
sir.
you got acetylene, sir, you react with
Mole of
say,
NaNH2.
you will be reacting with sodiamide, only 1 mole. You will be getting sodium acetylide. When sodium acetylide reacts with ethyl chloride,
CH3Cl.
you will be getting HCl. Are you very clear, sir? It is only 1 mole of NaCl. Can you see it, sir? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, when this fellow reacts with the HCl, you get a target molecule. What is target molecule?
Two dichloro butane.
Are we clean? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All these conversions should be practiced from the NCERT book thoroughly, sir. They gave so many. Every problem you should try and you should ask me. Your homework is to do all the problems given in the lesson. Also, without fail, the alkyl aryl halides last part you have to revise. The last part is some useful compounds in organic chemistry. And they are like we have closed this lesson actually, but I want you to remind you that you have to do it, and the extra idioms I want to discuss actually. Once you do the textbook, I can do something extra which is not there in the book. First, you have to do the textbook without fail. I should be convinced that you have done textbook 100%. I am not getting the textbook open. Hello? Hello? I think
Yes,
there is
sir.
there is a power problem or internet problem. It's not getting opened so rapidly. Such system is very slow. Can you do it from your textbook? Got open. System is stable. Today, internet is fluctuating, man. So, Our next topic is alcohols, phenols, and ethers, but I don't want to start it today. Even tomorrow, I don't want to start unless you do this completely. You have to do it 100%. Yep. Open it. Sir, last part you should be familiar. What is DDT? DDT is a pesticide and fungicide. Its full form is dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. This is not a IUPAC name. IUPAC name of DDT is 1,1,1 trichloro 2,2-bis 4-chlorophenyl ethane. Repeat, 1,1,1 trichloro 2,2-bis 4-chlorophenyl ethane. It is a ethane derivative. Once upon a time, it was widely used to check the growth of flies and mosquitoes. But nowadays, it is not in use because of the pollution problem it creates. You can prepare this by taking a compound chloral. What is that, sir? Hello.
Chloral.
What is chloral? CCl3.CHO. Chloral. CCl3.CHO. When chloral reacts with chlorobenzene, chloral reacts with chlorobenzene, you get DDT. Should I show you that reaction?
Yes,
I will
sir.
do. When chloral means this compound, sir. Time is ticking away mercilessly. Today, I don't know, very shortage of time. Sir, this compound, 1, 2, 3, this is called chloral. 2,2,2-trichloroethanol. When this reacts with the chlorobenzene, 2 moles of chlorobenzene will react. Can you see this chlorobenzene? This hydrogen and this hydrogen and this oxygen, they fall in deep love. What is eliminated, sir? Hello.
Water.
When water is removed, at this carbon, these 2 phenyl groups are linked. Here you have to put Cl, right? Here there is hydrogen. What is this compound? 1,1,1 trichloro 2,2-bis phenyl ethane, commonly known as DDT, dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane, DDT. Why DDT is not in use now?
Sir, pollutant.
It causes a
Environmental.
permanent pollution to water and soil. Nonsense. That's the problem. So it is not in use. So without fail, I want you to look at all these compounds. Freons. Freons are called fluorochlorocarbons. Freon 1, 2. What is 1, sir? 1 means the number of hydrogens plus 1. What is 2? The number of chlorines. Generally, freons are named like A, B, C. What is freon 1, 2? What is 1? What is 2 means? Freon first 0. 0 means there is only 1 carbon. Number of carbons minus 1 is first letter. Then B is number of hydrogens plus 1. Number of carbons minus 1, number of hydrogens plus 1. Last digit is number of fluorines. Can you say what is freon 1, to 1. What is Freon 1 to 1, sir? Hello? Freon 1 to 1 means in the nomenclature, first one is indicating number of carbons plus 1 and number of carbons minus 1. Freon 1 to 1, first one is indicating number of carbons are 2. Always remember, in the nomenclature of freons, first letter I am putting, first number I am putting is number of carbons minus 1. Here, freon 1 to first number is 0. 0 means there is 1 carbon. The art of naming freons is very interesting. Freon is a fluorochlorocarbon. It is used in the refrigerators. Nowadays, use of freons is under check because the pollution they cause in the stratosphere. They are responsible for depletion of stratosphere. So freons, although they are non-poisonous, although they are harmless, they are supposed to cause holes in ozone layer. So their usage is banned in London. Freons are used for refrigeration. Are you clean about this, sir? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So freons are over. You can make freons from perchloroderivatives by Swart reaction. Can you see what is the use of tetrachloromethane? Tetrachloromethane or carbon tetrachloride is used for petrol wash. It is a cleansing agent. Just 20 years back, almost every household used to have the CCl4. Nowadays, because it is suspected to cause cancer, carcinogenic, it is not in use. Triiodomethane is iodoform, widely used as antiseptic even by childhood. But nowadays it is not used because of the bad smell it gives. Its protective nature is due to the iodine it has, iodine. What is the common expected impurity of chloroform? Chloroform is expected to form an impurity called COCl2 phosgene. It's a big problem. If you want to destroy this particular phosgene COCl2, you have to add ethyl alcohol. We have seen it in the previous class. It is methane chloride used as a solvent. Of all this is chloroform is very, 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 very important. Try to be familiar. I want you to read the lesson thoroughly and post all your doubts related to the questions given at the end of the lesson. Your homework is to do as many as possible from 10.1 to 10.16. I will myself present the answers, upload them. You can compare the answers with your answers.
Okay, sir.
All of you complete this lesson without fail and ask your doubts by tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last day for this lesson.
Sir, one doubt, sir. Sir, in
Please.
between one in text question was there, sir. I think 10.6 or something. It is related to boiling points, sir. Increasing boiling points. So I am not understanding that question. Can you please explain, sir?
I will definitely do it, sir, but I don't know whether time will permit me today. I will put a WhatsApp message to you. Repeat the question, sir.
Sir, 10.6 in text question, sir. It is in
Let
part of
me see what it is. Let me see what it is.
Yes.
10.7 it is. Where it is, man?
Sir, in boiling point part, sir. Boiling points of alkanes. There only that question. Not this one, sir. 10.16
In text
in
question.
text question, sir.
Is it here 10.6, 10.7?
No, sir.
Not this one, sir. That red one in text question is there, no, sir. Little more back side.
More backward.
Okay, I will find. Okay, man. Now, actually, my other batch students are almost waiting. What I do is I work out the 10.6 and I post it to you through WhatsApp. I have to set where it is. I will set and post you back. Okay, don't worry.